Melrose Haven Homesteading. Okay, so this is a quick update on our slab, our dry pour slab, and this is how it's has been holding up to this point. And we've had a lot of heavy rain. You can see out here, look at all the little boggy bits are full. We just had a dump last night, and one of the problems that we initially had was this here, was back here, that this would fill up with water, and so we put in that little drainage pipe right there, and it's working. So this is not full right now, which is great. And the other reason why we wanted to make sure that we did the pour that we did the way we did it, and Mr. Rose came up with this great idea of using the cinder blocks as a way of building up the footing for us in a quicker manner, is because this is what happens when you have ducks. And that was what we were thinking of, and something that we kind of realized as how we were going to come up with a solution from a test that I did. And I will show you that test pour, and this is the solution that Mr. Rose came up with. But as you can see, the ducks will come in as it gets bogged out in here, especially if they get like a boggy puddle. This is what they do. See, they're in there just shuffling around, including the Goose. Hi, boys. And they will start digging up and undermining your work as far as your foundations are concerned. Hence the thicker footing that Mr. Rose ended up building, and it's working out great.